Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube video on how to make money online. Today we're going to be discussing different ways to earn income online that you can start right now. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some extra cash, these methods can help you earn money from the comfort of your own home. So, let's get started. Method 1: Freelancing. One way to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancing is essentially offering your services to clients who need them. Some examples of freelance work are writing, graphic design, programming, and social media management. You can start by creating a profile on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. These platforms allow you to bid on projects posted by clients and offer your services. With the right skills and a bit of marketing, you can easily make a decent amount of money freelancing. Method 2: Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can start by signing up for affiliate programs in your niche and promoting their products to your audience. This method can be done through various channels such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page. Method 3: Selling digital products. Selling digital products is another way to earn money online. This method involves creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or printables. You can start by identifying a problem in your niche and creating a solution in the form of a digital product. You can then sell your product on platforms such as Gumroad or Teachable. Method 4: Online tutoring. Online tutoring is another way to make money online. If you have a skill or knowledge in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. You can start by creating a profile on tutoring platforms such as Chegg, TutorMe, or Schoolly. This method is great for students or anyone who enjoys teaching. Method 5: Online surveys. Lastly, online surveys are a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash online. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. You can sign up for survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research and start earning money by completing surveys. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, online tutoring, or online surveys, there are opportunities for everyone. It's important to remember that making money online requires time and effort. You won't become rich overnight, but with consistency and perseverance, you can build a sustainable online income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.